Come along as I take you through my cottage, styled with budget friendly thrifted treasures and handmade crafts. Hi, everyone. I'm Kathleen, and I'm so happy you're here. If you love cozy spaces, the charm of vintage finds, and a handmade home, then you're in the right place. Here in my little cottage in the country with my two kitties, Opie and Theo. My passion is blending the charm of vintage finds with handmade crafts to create that perfectly imperfect cottage farmhouse decor, no matter where you live or what your budget is. This channel is all about inspiring you to do the same, to find joy in the hunt, create with your hands, and curate a home that truly reflects your soul. So come on in and let's explore the cozy journey together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our growing family. I created Vintage Home Lifestyle to share how I've turned this cottage into a home using budget-friendly finds and a lot of love. I live in a cottage in a small country town with my two kitties, Opie and Theo, enjoying a slow living lifestyle, surrounding myself with the things I love by either thrifting or making it myself. My living room. It's a space filled with warmth, character, and a blend of cottage farmhouse decor that I've lovingly collected and created over the years. I repurposed a vintage iron twin bed as my sofa daybed. I added a vintage door for the back and filled it with pillows and a vintage bedspread. This is where Opie and Theo spend a lot of their time, and honestly, so do I. I made the fireplace surround using vintage salvage I collected over the years. I love the cozy rustic feel it gives the room. I would love to hear about what you collect and decorate your home with. Please tell me in the comments. So that is my living room. I hope you've enjoyed this little glimpse into where I find my calm and create so many memories. It's a space that truly embodies the cottage farmhouse decorating I adore. Next up, let's go into my kitchen where I love to cook and where more of my thrifted finds have found a new home. I wanted this space to feel like a classic vintage farmhouse. And now, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I love cooking from scratch and where many of my favorite vintage finds have found a new home. Old jars are perfect for storing everything from flour to herbs, adding both beauty and organization. I would love to hear which of these thrifted finds would you add to your home. Tell me in the comments. I made made this plate rack using old scrap wood, and I used square nails as stops in front of the plates. One of my favorite pieces in the kitchen is this antique kitchen work table I found at a recycle yard for $25. I use it as my kitchen island work table, where I've cooked many homemade meals from scratch. Definitely the heart of the kitchen. There is a cozy dining nook just off of the kitchen that I have filled with more handmade and thrifted finds. I built this farmhouse table to fit the area, and the chairs are another lucky thrifted find. So that's my kitchen. I hope you felt right at home and perhaps found some inspiration for your own home. Let's enter this tiny hallway that leads to my little cozy cottage bedroom. This cottage has 2 bedrooms. The other bedroom is my workshop studio, and that's for another video. Now, my bedroom. This is where I come to cozy up and dream away. It's a space I created for tranquility, blending elements of romantic cottage with that timeless vintage farmhouse charm. Every piece in here is thrifted and contributes to a feeling of calm and comfort, and it's definitely another favorite napping spot for my kitties. And that brings our little cottage tour to a close for today. I truly hope you enjoyed this peek into my vintage home lifestyle and felt the warmth of my handmade and thrifted home. If you loved exploring with me, please consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know which room was your favorite or what kind of content you'd love to see next. Until next time, from my little cottage to yours, stay cozy.